Hi, I'm Charlotte Voisey and welcome to The Proper Pour. Julia Child's favourite cocktail was the reverse martini, so more vermouth than gin. And I imagine this was because it made a lower alcohol cocktail perfect for her palate to still enjoy that wonderful food she used to cook. So that got me thinking, I wonder what other cocktails could be reversed or played around with or proportionally changed. And that led me to the bee's knees, one of the few great cocktails from Prohibition era. Its genius lies in the simplicity and marriage of gin, honey and lemon. So I'm going to start with the honey, in this case Drambuie, a honey-based liqueur, 1.5 ounces, and then sticking to the classic, I'm going to still use gin, but less so. So here we have 1/2 ounce of Hendrick's gin. And while Drambuie is so beautifully honey forward, it's also quite sweet, so the lemon juice needs to be upped a little bit in this rendition, so 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And that's it, super simple, 3 ingredients. We're ready to shake this up. So I'll ice my shaker and give it a good shake. And then I'm going to strain this up into a coupe glass. Whenever I strain drinks up, I like to use the fine strainer. The double strain just really helps to keep the ice shards out of the way for a nice smooth finish. And for the garnish, we'll keep it super simple for this simple cocktail. To really promote those citrus oils, just get a nice big lemon twist and spritz it on top of the cocktail and place it in the glass. And there you have a cheeky twist on the bee's knees.